Ultimate Adventure Swing Set.
One's a platform swing, one's a belt
Adventure Swing Set package.
a belt swing, all out here on the ground in the order that they.
When you're installing this, assembling it, that you have an extra person. You're going to need are 2 Allen keys that are provided at the boxes. What we've laid all the parts out more smoothly. Make sure you have another adult to assist you. Assembly manual a bit readily available during.
Going to slide right in to this frame bolts, and we're going to put those. Now we're just finger tighten the bolts. We'll tighten those later. Top of the D frames, and those are just going to slide, and we're just going to feed that up. We're going to attach, those will just fit in those. Again, washer on top, and then on top of this piece, just lift it up and slide it in. So now we'll take the final 2 F-frame pieces as well. And so we'll just push those in, put the washer on top. Pieces put together, we're just going to go around and we're just going to tighten those all by hand. You want them nice and all the bolts tightened. You're done with the frame. You can one on the swing set here. Things tightened and we have the carabiners on. Yeah, maybe now that we've done it. Guidelines while using it. If you have any questions or concerns, please refer to your assembly manual.